Every week, you sit down to write a team update, and somehow it turns into an hour of digging through everything you did. You're scrolling chats, checking tasks, trying to piece the week together. Your work is already done, just scattered across tools and conversations. But when it's time to report it, you start from zero. Here's the part nobody tells you. You're not writing a weekly update. You're rebuilding your entire week from scratch. That's the real reason this takes so long. Not the writing, but the searching and reconstructing. And you repeat this process every single week. But here's where everything changes. Weekly updates are not summaries, they're compiled transformations. Once you see that, the approach shifts completely. You stop trying to remember your week and start converting it. This is where the week-to-update system comes in, the simplest way to turn scattered work into a clean update in minutes. Here's how it works. First, collect everything from your week: tasks, notes, messages, wins, blockers. Dump it all in one place without organizing it. Second, give one instruction. Convert this into a structured weekly update with highlights, progress, blockers, and next week plan. Third, get a clean, consistent update that's ready to send instantly. But here's what most people miss. Once you use this a few times, you stop relying on memory completely. Let me show you a quick example. Raw input: finished onboarding flow, fixed payment bug, 3 client calls, aligned with marketing on launch, delay due to API issue. Converted output: highlights: completed onboarding flow, resolved payment issue, conducted 3 client calls. Progress: aligned with marketing on upcoming launch. Blockers: API delay impacting timeline. Next week, resume development once API issue is resolved. Same work, no extra effort. This is the shift most people miss. You don't need to write better updates. You need to stop rebuilding your week. What used to take 1 to 2 hours now takes under 3 minutes. Stop summarizing your week manually. Start converting it into updates. If you ever wanted to work smarter, like, subscribe and check the description for more.